Kia ora, Tama. Just finished having a cup of tea with Auntie. I'm about to hop in the car. I'm coming to the land for kapahaka practice.
Oh, I'll meet you there.
Okay, see you there. Ka kite.
Bye. Oh, my mum's coming.
Oh no, dude, what do we do? Kia ora, Mum.
Kia ora, my son. Oh, we're going to the land to do some pupuariki. Where are you?
On my way.
Oh, okay then. See you there. Ka kite.
Whakapiri. Oh crap, gee, my mum's coming down too.
What do we do?
Hide!
Fudgy, there's your mum.
Oh gee, there's your mum.
What are you doing
What are you doing
This
here?
is our land.
No, this is
No,
our
you have
land.
to keep it
Uh-oh.
for
Happy Pupuari!
Don't look at us. Your mum's pretty good at singing.
Oh, your mum's alright.
Oh, shut up.
That's not a white tutura.
Yes,
Get it, Mum.
That's it.
me.
Can you have my
Are you the
mum?
boss? Yes.
I'm the boss. No, I'm the boss. I'm the boss. No.
We should probably go stop
Listen.
this.
You're veterans. You're veterans.
Stop it! Whakapiri Mai!
Whakapiri mai, tauti, mai rā.